Hello, teacher and classmates. I am Norena Rivera. I am 36 years old. I am from Bello, Antioquia. I am a secretary. I live in Bogota since 50 years old. I live with my husband and my son. I study environmental engineers. I studied at UNAT University. I work in the office of engineers Boulder. I like going to the cinema. I like to visit the Jardín Botánico in Bogotá. He is José Celestino Mutis. He was an astronomer in Bonnets. Y the flower Mutis. Botanic Garden is a site dedicated to research and conservation of plants and also to education and tourism. There you can appreciate the nature of environmental. Thank you for attention.